Everyone, in this video we'll learn how to use breakout rooms in Microsoft Teams. So let's try to understand what is breakout room. These are the rooms meant for brainstorming and discussion. Say for example, in between my class, I want to break students into smaller groups for group discussion, problem solving, completing assignments, and finally I want them to report back to larger groups. In order to conduct a successful group discussion, you need to give them clear and detailed instruction before they move to breakout room. Let's see how I do that in my class. For example, I want my students to create a project on how to use piezoelectric energy for charging batteries. So my instruction for my student will be like this. Hello students, today in our breakout rooms you have to think of some cost effective setup which will use piezoelectric energy to charge batteries. I repeat, you have to think of some cost effective setup which will use piezoelectric energy to charge batteries. In your breakout rooms you can discuss and make a rough roadmap of your project. I will be switching between different groups and helping you out. You have 15 minutes to complete your roadmap. Time right now is 11 a.m. and you have to complete your work by 11:15 and then you have to join back to this main group. Group leaders of this week from each group will present their ideas. So now if you have any doubt in any instructions, you can raise your hand. So now let's create our breakout rooms. For that what you have to do is first you have to open your Teams system application. So in your Teams system application, you will see, when you open your Teams, you will see 3 dots over here, and I will click on these 3 dots to add one channel. So it's basically the way you add channel. Now you have to name your channel as Breakout Room 1. Okay, like this I will create 3 or 4 such breakout rooms, and then we'll see how we will use them during the class. So now, depending upon my class size, I have created 3 breakout rooms. So first thing which I have to do is I have to start with my meeting in journal section or in your class section. Okay, where you have actually scheduled your meeting. So I will start with my meeting in journal section by clicking on meet now icon here. Okay, and the next thing which I have to do is I have to click on this meeting icon again to go back, and now I will start my meeting in breakout room number 1. So how I will start it? Again I have to click on the meeting option. I will click on meet now. My meeting over here is started. So I have to do this for all the meeting channels. So let's again click on team icon for breakout room number 2. Again I will click on meet now. Click on meet now. And same thing, I have to click on this meets again to go back. Click on breakout room number 3. Click on meet again. Meet now. And now I can see that all my meetings are running over here. So as a teacher, I have an option to switch between breakout room number 1 to breakout room number 2. Okay, right now I am in breakout room number 3. Okay, as per the instructions, students will join that respective breakout rooms. Okay, so what I will do is I will keep on shuffling between different groups. Say for example, I have instructed group number A to stay in journal section. I have instructed group number B to stay in breakout room number 1, instructed group number C to stay in group breakout room number 3, and I have instructed group D to stay in group number breakout room number 3. Okay, so as a teacher I can help students by clicking on this resume option. Okay, so I can resume my meeting by clicking here. So I have entered the journal room where I have instructed my team A to stay, and I want to help my team B. I will enter into breakout room number 1. So as a teacher, I can keep on shuffling between different breakout rooms. So this is how the breakout room works in Microsoft Teams. So now to cancel all these meetings, so what I will do is once all my students are in journal group, after 15 minutes or whatever time I have assigned. So what I will do is I will click on this hang up button, and I will click here to end this meeting. Again, I will click here to end this meeting, and I want to join journal meeting. So I will end this meeting and automatically I will be in my journal channel. Okay, so right now I will click on this rejoin to join my journal meeting. So here I will find all my students back. So I hope now you will able to apply this concept in your actual classroom environment. Thank you everyone for joining.